Turn the camera off. I think you just broke the door.
I'm allergic to monkeys.
What?
Yeah.
How are you?
And hedgehogs. Actually, that was true. Oh.
It's like an exorcist monkey. It's crazy.
Go here. He's hard. Go save him.
It's beyond repair.
Where's the zoo director or something? Oh, that didn't sound good. Was that you or him?
I think I can take it.
They're gonna think that you killed him.
We gotta dispose of them.
Are you okay?
I just got slapped in the face by a monkey. What do you think?
You're not like contagious, are you? Because they really do. They make me sneeze. They break out hives. And oh no! Is it monkey scratch fever? This is like 28 days later, only monkeys. I even had monkeys. Oh my gosh, the military's here. Thank goodness. They're gonna rabid, disgusting monkeys. They are kind of pathetic though. I didn't know monkeys were gonna
Okay, I wanted a costume shop. I took the whole thing a little too far. I can't respond it! Oh man. Yeah, if you look around, there are cameras everywhere, and you're on what's the show? You're on Candid Monkeys. Candid Monkeys.